fanenjehana ny seza vao misy miala fanongana mpanjakana samangarahara efa betsaka an'leo fefa betsaka ny teo efa betsaka ny nanome fanantenana manamanam-bola vao tafita ratsany mitsiriritra manomboka ny lefy sy ny titra fitina lafy nisy ny mpanoratra amin'ny taratasy tsisy mpife revekinao mitondra fiaraka ty fininarty voavidy hatrany tolambalinao raha mankaty matevina ny pôsinao raha lafitrany ty hoy ianao sanatry tsisy vola tsisy pity ny vola no andrandrainy ty fireneny ty anketriny vononisy kely temponisy ny firaisakina no mamelombelon'azy fialonana tsy maintsy voasasy ny mozika no anala anazy
What are we doing in the midst of this darkness and chaos? Without child. What are we doing? Without child. Giving in too much corruption. How many times does greed have to betray us? Without child. What do we do? Child. Giving in too much corruption.
Laisse-moi le dire, sinon l'écrire. Démocratie en fin de vie qui s'enrichit dans ton pays, sinon ici. Atterri, tout cela reste inadmissible. Ouais, pas admissible sans piston. Oui, mon système réunion se cache sous l'Européenne Union. Oui, quelques mots peuvent en dire long. Le silence et le million. Je lâche du terrain en mission. Laisse-moi le dire, sinon l'écrire. Entre mon deal et les vols de la police, quelle est la diff? Entre nous et le fils qui joue la triche. Entre mairie et le patron, il y a le parti. La justice monétisée, on peut même faire le pari. Institution religieuse, c'est pareil. Invitation au plaisir, privé au public, clic, clic, j'aime.
What are we doing in the midst of this darkness and chaos? Without child. What are we doing? Without child. Giving in too much corruption. How many times does greed have to betray us? Without child. What do we do? Child. Giving in too much corruption.
How do we even begin to break free from a past of indoctrination and slavery, where our minds were corrupted by lies and half-truths? Fathers MIA and our mothers are mere youths. If you just take a moment to consider this, you'll see the reason why we struggle with togetherness. Made to believe that we possess no value or purpose. Self-destruction from feeling worthless. Big up to you if you manage to break free, but most of us still feel the crack of the whip daily when we breaking our backs, try feeding the family, escaping through a bottleneck. Both ways you flee, so you take what you can get at someone else's expense. And the more you get, the more you want, the more you care less. When the enslaved become presidents, the power that they hold becomes a tool to oppress. There is a thin line between greed and suffering, and the one feeds the other, that's why we're still hungering. We need to dedicate ourselves to restructuring and stop seeing ourselves as the underling. Honor yourself first, and then you can be a true king, ruling your kingdom, serving your people with wisdom. Mr. President, if you refuse to listen, then we refuse to be the cogwheels in your system.
What are we doing in the midst of this darkness and chaos? Without child. What are we doing? Without child. Giving in too much corruption. How many times does greed have to betray us? Without child. What do we do? Child. Giving in too much corruption.
It's a new sensation, new world vibration. Pick up your boots and let's get to the station. Rip on the coach and come face to face with yourself as we're traveling from place to place. We go up and down and around we go. For the plane on a runaway land.